Welcome back, everybody, once again to Funky D Star TV News Time. The battle between Father Mbaka, FG, when the presidency, and the fake Muhammadu Buhari continues. Father Mbaka no one give up. FG no one give up. But today, Father Mbaka don't let them know waiting with they tell them in this platform. Say Nigeria don't already collapse, and also say Abuja not they safe anymore for any of them when be the power that be in Aso Rock. At the same time, when Father Mbaka don't come blast them. Let them say, man, may they start to they prepare where to run to. Say Abuja not safe again. And say Nigeria don't collapse. You know, forget say Father Mbaka get problem with the so-called presidency. Forget say maybe na make or the nyam the way when in the nyam. But the nyamings na 100% true. Because where common criminals go get access to rob the presidential villa, what they claim say na Gambari abi Yambari where they go rob, you know say Aso Rock itself go not they safe anymore. Maybe that is the reason why Father Mbaka they blast them, they tell them say Abuja not they safe anymore, including Aso Rock. Say that is made them start to prepare where they want wrong. Go say Nigeria don't finish. And the issue of Nigeria being collapsed, another thing. The issue of Abuja not being safe, another thing. Look at everywhere in Nigeria, from the north, the south, the east, and to the western parts, to the western part of the country. Nobody is safe, nowhere is safe. No more safe zone in Nigeria. Even this year not gonna be like last year. Last year not gonna be like 2 years ago. Okay, so as the time goes on, now so the country they take collapse because of the people when not they competent enough to lead the country. Because of the fraudulent APC people when they coming with Agbada, I don't tell on say by the time when Boko Haram and all these terrorist people when una they groom in that country go finish with una that Agbada now by force all of una go take pull out. When they attack Aso Rock Villa, even the man when they claim say now the chief of staff no come address the nation on what happened. Now Gabashehu still come and talk for them. Say make Nigerian people move on. There is nothing to see there. They just come, they take some document, they rob some money. How come, my question, how come those people will gain access to a presidential villa where president they live? Now they want the line Nigerian people say the man they live opposite Aso Rock, opposite the villa. Say then give him a house in the villa. The man say no. Say na opposite they go they live. Anyhow where it be, whether na opposite to, whether na inside Aso Rock, but waiting the news tell us we say na inside Aso Rock. They invade, the criminals. So where those people get access to invade the home of the chief of staff or the resident of the chief of staff, anywhere we want put that, brother. Aso Rock not they safe. The next thing when I go here, I don't know this in the other day. The next thing when I go here, now Boko Haram take over the whole Aso Rock. So make we see how Mbaka take blast APC people when come with Agbada. Just exactly the same way when all these pastors come with the Bible, the so-called pastors, the whole criminals in Nigeria, not them. They just come with the Bible to deceive Nigerian people. In fact, the pastor's agenda with the Fulani's agenda are the same. The Fulani people that they give the pastors when they Nigeria money to build all those mega churches, we don't still preach this thing before. So that they go keep on deceiving Nigerian people. Anytime when they attack us, when come from a southern part of Nigeria, then the pastors, because they know say they not na Muslim people, okay? Na them na Muslim people, the northern people, okay? Then the southern part of Nigeria, majority of us na Christians. They come position all these pastors state by state. All these mega churches, they will go there, go give them money, so that anything happen, the pastor go to talk in favor of APC and PDP people, telling Nigerian people, telling the southwestern people, say, oh, make we live am for God now, now God go do am for us now, make we not fight back, make we leave everything. Now so the pastor continue to deceive the people from the south. For a very, very long time, this thing don't happen. They come with the Bible to deceive all of us. None of them, when be the pastor, be pastor. Even this man, when his son died recently, when they claim say his son don't enter heaven, or I say no, say his son they heaven. I say nine be the gate man of heaven. Like I say then give him key to heaven. How are they going to take no say his son day for heaven? In the talk like say in a gate man, or maybe God give him, maybe nine be God, or nine get the key to heaven. Or nine go judge everybody. How can you say you know your son is in heaven? Just like the same way when those South African people, when they don't corrupt with TB Joshua Church, take the 10 Nigerian people say all their husband when die inside that collapsed building, say all of them dey for heaven. Because they don't pay them money to come out and yap opata. Who not they deceive? If we don't know all these things, don't mean say we don't know about them. We know about all these things when they happen. When they use the pastors, when come with the Bible to deceive all of us. Look at TB Joshua. Recently they claim, say, oh, Nigeria must be one. Now they can't tell us, say, now I'm saying they question the reason why Israel left Egypt. Because remember, say, Israelite people, then they under slavery, then they suffer under the hands of the Egyptian. But it was still God that delivered them. Just the way God would deliver the Oduduwas and the Biafran people from the hand of these our oppressors. When be the pastors and the so-called men of God and the Fulani people. God must to deliver all of us. So make we take a look, see how Father Mbaka take Nyan with Nyan, where they blasted the APC with the third say, men, all of una get problem. Make una prepare. Make una start to repack una bag and baggages. Say Abuja not dey safe anymore. Aso Rock not dey safe anymore. And Nigeria don't collapse. And truly, Nigeria already collapsed. No matter how many soldiers, how many men that deployed to southeast, or how many soldiers that deployed to the southwest, or how many soldiers they deployed to their so-called south, it doesn't matter. Nigeria don't already collapse. No matter how una continue faking with this una fake Buhari, Nigeria don't collapse. No matter how they use unity, they deceive people. The man when claim say in Sabi do peace. Now him they sponsor Boko Haram. They supply them food and ammunition with his helicopter from the same north. And you are telling me one Nigeria. Start preparing where to run to. Abuja isn't safe again and Nigeria has collapsed. Father Mbaka to President Muhammadu Buhari direct. Like they send this message to her. They let her know, say, look, but if President Muhammadu Buhari, what they call, don't die since 2017. Now that one they baffle from Kidi pass. So even Father Mbaka, so they talk about President Muhammadu Buhari. Instead of him to come out and tell the true word, he come out, they lie to Nigerian people. The spiritual director of Adoration Ministry Enugu, Nigeria, Father AGK Mbaka, has told President Muhammadu Buhari to start preparing where he will run to, according to the statement made available by Sahara Reporters on its official and verified Twitter handle. The popular Catholic priest who was recently suspended by the Catholic bishops of Enugu Diocese told President Muhammadu Buhari that Nigeria has collapsed and that Abuja isn't safe again. Father Mbaka went further to state that President Muhammadu Buhari will suffer if he doesn't show that he isn't part of the insecurity challenges facing the country. Mbaka said, start preparing where to run to. Trouble is coming. Nigeria has collapsed and Abuja will no longer be a safe zone for politicians. And that is true. Remember, say last week, na they tell us say the Boko Haram people, that is the terrorist people, say they move down very close to Aso Rock. Their base now they very, very close to Aso Rock. In fact, some minute trek to Aso Rock Villa. After a week, now here we hear say they don't rob. Who you think say they don't go do that robbery? Now still Boko Haram people. That is to show you see Aso Rock where you they hide since 100 years. This fake Buhari, you no go reach you again. That fufu day where you did speak, by the time when you go do that your rat race, and they go see to who you truly are. You are not a Buhari. Buhari don't die since 2017. Buhari not there in Aso Rock. According to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. You must to do that your rat race come out. According to Father Mbaka, Abba Kyari died after all. The effort made to save him, Mbaka said, President Muhammadu Buhari has not shown that he is not part of the insecurity ravaging the country. You have to show that you are not part of the insecurity. You dey hear? This man come out as a man, not be all those people now where they don't claim say they don't ban the man, they don't suspend the man, they don't do this and that to Father Mbaka. Mbaka now is a full man. He's a full-grown man. Not be all those governors where they not get no single ball. Not be all those pastors like this pastor Adeboye where you not get ball. Stand up and defend your people. Stop speaking for people when they oppress all of us. Mbaka is a full-grown man. President Muhammadu Buhari will suffer if he doesn't change his way. Was Abba Kyari not sent abroad for treatment? But what happened? He died. Mbaka went further to state that President Muhammadu Buhari has failed the nation and should resign immediately, adding that Nigerians are crying because they don't have a shepherd. This statement from Father Mbaka won't be unconnected to yesterday reports that some armed robbers attempted to gain entrance into the residence of Chief of Staff to President Muhammadu Buhari, Professor Ibrahim Gambari, which is close to the villa. If you not lie, continue to lie to yourself, say close to the villa. Now una go get in trouble. If you not lie, continue telling Nigerian people say, oh, they not rob again, or they just come and peep, they left. Now, una problem be that. Anything where una like to tell Nigerian people, make una tell Nigerian people. Now, una problem be that. If they come, Boko Haram enter inside Aso Rock. Now, una then go fight with. You know, because we don't tell una before, say, all this is what una they do. Say, they not mark and say you be president, or you be Gambare, or be Yambare, or you be Osebanjo, or you be anybody, including the AGF. Including all of them when be APC members to their supporters, from the top to down. Say, all this is what they do. They're not mark and say you be politician or say you be governor. Say these people, anywhere when they see you now, then go fight you now. If they want kidnap you, they will kidnap you. If they want buy you, they go buy you. We don't tell them all these things before. 2 years ago, we don't tell them all these things. Be careful. Make una fight against this insurgency in Nigeria. All of una will be APC people. Una do like say nothing they happen. Today, that they kidnap minister. Today, that they kidnap senators. Today, they don't enter Aso Rock. Today, not to just for them to sit down where una fake President Muhammadu Buhari they sit down, the seat of power. Again, we continue to warn. No fee say that no go reach you. Now, una bring this insecurity. Now, this Buhari bring this insecurity thing. Now, him they support them. Now, him they sponsor them. Everything now this una name Buhari one they call. Now, him bring down insecurity in Nigeria. So, no fee say then go leave you alone. After they don't deal with the masses, then go bounce back to you when they on top. When people say you be leader. When you refuse to fight them, when we say fight these people and fight them away, una say no, say that them vote for una. They don't come. Even these people, they don't come claim say na the same government na them bring them come. So why it is say they go leave you when you not even give them wetin you promise them? That be the thing. So make una stop crying insecurity. The only thing when go solve the problem of that nation na through division. Nothing else. So Mbaka now don't bounce back. They tell Muhammadu Buhari and his cronies, make them prepare where they want run to. Say Niger don't collapse and Aso Rock not conducive again. How about that? Not be from this platform now. Waiting Mbaka they tell the government of the day, the president, because they provoked Mbaka to the marrow of his bone. That is why Mbaka said, no, I be Biafra man. I stand with my people. My spiritual son. That's what he told Nigerian people. And he made it clear. And that's it. For you, when they continue to lie, say, oh, they not reach Aso Rock. Oh, they won't reach them people. Oh, they are tempted to rob. Make you continue to write, waiting the same you write. They're not saying you not continue to write too. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner of the house. Some Nigerians would wonder why Father Mbaka is now so hard on President Muhammadu Buhari after he supported him in 2015 and 2019 presidential election. Some Nigerians who reacted to the statement of Mbaka had the following to say on Twitter. Whether you like Mbaka or you hate Mbaka, Mbaka is telling you the truth. Now I be my own. Whether you write anything when you want come online, whether you be Garba Shehu, you be Femi Adesina, you be this, when they share money in Aso Rock, or people on Twitter, or the Muslim or the Fulani people, whoever you be, you can't yarn what you want, and Mbaka don't tell you what in tell you. And everything when Mbaka talk, now nothing but the truth. Whether he support Buhari in 2015, we don't want to know. He support him in 2029, we don't want to know. He support him in 2000 or 2019, we don't care. We don't give a damn. Mbaka is speaking the goddamn truth to all of us. Love him or hate him. Ladies and gentlemen, from Kidisina here we will drop you. So if you get anything when you want pertaining Father Mbaka, good or bad, come to our comment section. Come air your view whether Nigeria never collapse. Whether these people when they Aso Rock no go start looking for where they want run go. Whether Aso Rock they safe anymore or not. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe. One love.